People travel for experiences. Some collect souvenirs, others collect flavors. Somewhere between rye bread and gray peas, one question appears. What is the true taste of Latvia? But oh boy, what a complex and tasty mission it can be. But wait a minute, what's with the notebook? Are we finally witnessing a Michelin guide inspector in action?
First of all, the combination of sour and sweet. This is in our region, I think, common in every family. Plus, I think the environment which is around us always tells us you need to grow things and, of course, taste everything from the forest.
For me, it's everything that is grown and produced here in Latvia. The flavors of 100 years ago don't define who we are today. Our identity continues to evolve, and also our cuisine should evolve too.
I think the beans and peas, this is one of the ingredients which I remember when I was little. It's always about the home.
For me, cooking is a way of telling the story, where the past and the present meet on the plate.
One question. Countless interpretations of flavor. There isn't one taste of Latvia. That's what makes it worth discovering. Come and enjoy for yourself.